LB gang. What's up, LB gang? I'm back with another video. Today I got a mukbang. I'm so happy. You can close them. But yeah, today I got a mukbang with y'all. We're about to get into this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Instagram is Layla Black. And please turn that bell for notifications. My Instagram is Layla Black. And my Snapchat is Black72. So DM me, comment down below, and Snapchat me what else y'all want me to do. We're about to get into this video. So, but I got a piece of pizza. I got some, I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, I got some wings and I got some soda. So, what I'm going to talk to y'all about? Should I talk to you? Oh, what should I talk? I don't know. Let's talk about, I don't know. School. Let's talk about school. I look shiny and stuff. But anyway, let's talk about school. I mean, I'm ready for school now. But I'm not, because I know it's going to be different people at my school. And it's going to be crazy. Wow. I'm trying to do a video now. But, yeah. School is going to be different. I might have different teachers. Different students. And I'm scared what class I'm going to be in, because I don't know what class I'm going to be in. Like, I just don't know. I don't know. I know so a lot of people that's going to be going to middle school next year. And stuff, so. I don't know. I'm just like nervous. I know y'all just got it, but it's okay. Because we're eating. And I don't really know what to talk about. Kyle, what should I talk about? Hold up. Yourself, I guess? Oh, well. Let's talk about me, myself, and that, me. Yeah, I'm a fun person to be around. And I'm funny. And I'm a dancer. But, and I just can't wait to gain more subscribers so I can like share my personal life with y'all. Do all of that. Back up. But yeah. These wings good. I mean, there's a lot of people that started YouTube. Who inspired me to do YouTube, y'all? I've been planning on it for a long time. But I always thought that you need like a camera and stuff like that. But I never had it, so I never planned on it. I planned on doing it, but then I was just like, no, I ain't got all that. But then I just started doing it on my phone, and it's been working good. I can't wait for people to see my videos and stuff. But yeah, I was sitting down and I got this, and I was like, I should do a mukbang. I was like, no, I do it. I was like, man, maybe I should do a mukbang because I mean, why not? Now look at my big self tongue. Ah, that's good. But yeah, gang. Oh, Sign out. I'm quit. But yeah. What can I talk about? Okay. 25 facts. No, that's too much. 10 facts about me. I'm a dancer. I'm funny. I'm smart. I'm crazy. What else? I'm going to the 8th grade next year. I'm nervous. And my full name is a little. I ain't gonna tell you my full name. It's a little black. I am 13. That's like basically it. Cause I don't really be doing that. Y'all look at this job. What the? I don't be doing that like that. But I have 2 best friends. One is a boy and one is a girl. Well, actually, I have 3 best friends. 2 are a girl. 1 is a boy. I was so sloppy in and I'm not gonna tell y'all the name, but they're my best friend. The boy best friend, I miss him so much. I can't wait for him to come back next year. I haven't been home for a long time. I need some. And I can't wait to see the girl best friend. I can't wait to start posting more videos for you guys. Well, I don't tell home. Okay, so I'm gonna tell this story. I'm gonna tell y'all too. Okay, so yeah, I had to start my YouTube, right? I had to book my school starting, right? And you gotta subscribe to my YouTube. And I was like, did you subscribe to mine? Why don't I want to subscribe to yours if you didn't subscribe to mine? Like, what? And so he was like, wow, you selfish. I was like, I'm selfish because I ain't subscribed to your channel and you, excuse me, and you ain't even subscribed to mine. Like, how you sound? Yeah, so he get mad and stuff. And I'm like, what you getting mad for? Like, you ain't never subscribed to mine? Yeah. Went forward. And, you know what? I'm gonna tell you about my journey. A lot of people don't know, but I'm sharing it with y'all. My acne journey. So, okay, so hold on. Okay. I need a napkin. But so, when I'm pretty sure it's probably started when I was in the 4th grade, but it got worse when I was in 5th grade. Is my acne journey. So, I had really bad acne when it started in the 4th grade. In the 5th grade, it was worse. But yeah, I had bad acne. And I remember, I used to get called Dippin' Dots. Because my face had dark marks on it. It still do a little bit, but you can see a little bit. I should get called Dippin' Dots and stuff. I mean, but it never like really affected me like that. Because because I used to be roasting my friends back when they said that. But I used to we call it checking. We don't call it roasting, but I used to check my friends. Shut up. And I remember I did not like going nowhere. I didn't like taking pictures with people because my acne, and I did not like showing my face. I like to hide my face and stuff all the time. And I don't make up something. Okay, make them now. So yo, I ain't like taking pictures. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't like doing none of that. So I'm back, gang. My sister just made me freaking drop my food, and I had to clean off his stuff, and that was bad. So when y'all see that clip, you know why. My pizza dropped though. So what I was talking about, my intern. They say taking pictures and stuff. You say doing all that because I know I had bad acne. Like yo, my acne was so bad. I'm gonna put a picture probably right here, probably. And you'll see like the dark marks I had. It was so bad. And I actually didn't like talking to people. Sometimes I didn't like go to school because I knew I was gonna get called dipping nuts. So I didn't like going to school and stuff. Hated going to school. But probably when I got in my 6th grade year, I mean, it was worse. It was bad. Or it was worse, sure. Because I used to like pop my bums, have picnic scabs and stuff. I don't know. I thought it'd make it better or whatever all the time, but that never worked. So I used to go, and I used to go buy like that clean and clear stuff and all that other stuff or whatever. And that stuff was not helping that proactive. I never bought proactive, but my friends just said you need to use proactive. But they never understand. My skin is so freaking sensitive. It's like I can't use nothing. I can't use scents on my face. Like smell good lotion. I can't put that on my face. Smell good body wash. I can't put that on my face. None of that stuff that got scent. So I use that cocoa butter stuff. I'm trying to check my wing. So I use that cocoa butter stuff. So my face won't get what is it called? So my face won't get all bumps and stuff and all that. That's what I use. But then I went to at school it was like I was like at school it was like people like me as friends and stuff. But I used to get questions like what happened to my face. Did not like answering. I hate having blood coming out my face and stuff and pus and stuff. Like that's nasty. But when I go to school now, they used to call me, when they called me different, they just said, y'all ain't gonna be saying that when my face get better and all that. So then I went to a dermatologist. And my skin had, I forgot, it was like, this is like, it's a regular acne and stuff, but they said they can give me something for it to go away, but it's gonna take like, a long time for the dark marks to go away. I was like, okay, well, I was like, okay, as long as my face get better, no more problem. when I started taking this stuff at first, it was alright. Because when I had to go to the dermatologist, you have to like get this pee dry. You have to like, you have to take a test, and then you go pick up your medicine. It was difficult at first, because you had to get your blood drawn. I never had my blood drawn, but it was alright. It was alright, because getting your blood drawn, it really don't hurt. It's just a needle going in your vein. It don't hurt at all. But when I want to get my blood drawn, that was like, look at that big old vein that's spread that's about to give me some blood. Because as you know, your veins have blood in them. So I was like, okay, I got that done. Then they take it to my doctor's office or whatever, and I've been taking Accutane for my face for about, I'll say, 4 or 5 months now. It's like a year process or something like that. They gave me some of this. Let's see if I can see. They gave me some of this. Because like when you first get on Accutane, it make it, like when I went to school, my face was dry. Hold on. Okay. My face was dry all the time. My lips was all like they was dry. They was like all not crunch, but like bloody and peeled and stuff. Huh? 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 Oh, I'm trying to do a video. But yeah, gang, I'm back. Had to do something. Okay, so I'm editing that out. But yeah. So when I'm done eating. I'm gonna eat my chicken wing. When I don't want to eat that. Anyway, when I was in the process of Accutane, all that, it was so stressful. Me taking so much medicine, now that my lips used to get dry, they used to look bloody and like peeled and stuff. So now when they gave me this, it's like some yellow stuff inside for your lips. What else did they give me for my lips? They also gave me that, and they gave me some chapstick. So when I was over there, they also gave me some more stuff, and they gave me some hydrating cleanser for dry to normal skin, because my skin used to be dry. Let's see if y'all can see that. They gave me that. They actually gave me 2 of these. They gave me 2 of those, and they gave me 2 of those and 2 of these, and 2 of those. What is this one? The same thing, moisturizing lotion. It moisturizes, restores, and maintains protective skin. And yeah, that's all they gave me, because as y'all can see, look at my hair, natural. Anyway, what was this? This is some skin moisturizer for my face, because it cannot, like, if you give me some, it cannot have, like from my face, like, I can't use, like, that clean and clear proactive stuff because my face cannot do that stuff. My face used to be so bad. I'm gonna insert a clip, and as y'all can see now, I'm bringing out. As y'all can see now, my face is like, my face has gotten so much better. I still have that dark mark. That's a birthmark. Not a birthmark, but yeah, birthmark. I still got that dark mark. I still got a little bit dark marks on my cheek right there. I just have dark marks right here. They gone. I got two look like right there. And I got some dark marks. So gang, as I was in the process of editing, I seen that, as you can see on the last clip, my phone has went off because it's talking no storage available on it, as it's always saying. But I was just talking about how I still have dark marks on my face right there, and that was it. And gang, this mukbang is done. I will do another one for you guys. Just tell me what else food y'all want me to try. And that's it, gang. I love y'all so very much. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on my social media, my Instagram. My Instagram at Little Black, and my Snapchat at Bless Number 2. It will be gang, gang, gang. It will be gang, gang, gang.
My AP, new freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land. My 240.